Ascent AeroSystems Spirit UAV available through GSA. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Leading UAV solutions provider Ascent AeroSystems has announced that its Blue UAS-approved Spirit UAV is currently available for purchase through the General Services Administration (GSA) Advantage website. Since the GSA limited the drones on their list to the Blue sUAS list in January of 2021, NDAA-compliant, U.S.-manufactured drone providers not currently on the Blue sUAS list have had to ask government customers to engage in a more lengthy acquisition process to purchase their products. The addition of the Spirit UAV to the GSA list gives government customers another simple acquisition option for a wide range of applications. The versatile Spirit UAV is designed for a wide range of applications, such as intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, search and rescue, border patrol, and disaster relief. It grants operators a weather-resistant platform equipped with advanced integrated EO/thermal sensor payloads. The Spirit UAV is a reliable and secure platform uniquely suited to serve the needs of mission-critical operators anytime, anywhere. The Spirit aircraft comes in a range of configurations, each suited to specific mission requirements. Built with easy transport and deployment in mind, its compact, rugged airframe can be stored and carried easily in a backpack, and quickly assembled and disassembled. Government operations require drones for a variety of reasons, including ISR, target acquisition, monitoring and inspection, rogue gas detection, etc., said Paul Fermo, Ascent AeroSystems VP of Business Development. Most drones are designed for single mission type, or worse, are restricted by a closed ecosystem, which limits their usefulness and subjects the government to obsolescence. Not Spirit. Spirit has a modular open architecture that allows government operators to customize the platform to meet any operational requirement, all from one common airframe.